Looking for a silent, powerful, and stylish mechanical keyboard? The AULA F99 Pro might just be your answer. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the keyboard, a USB-C cable, keycap puller, and extra switches. The F99 Pro features a sturdy plastic case with floating keycaps, clean and minimal design. Triple mode connectivity means it handles office work, gaming, and even tablet input with ease. These silent switches let me type late into the night without disturbing anyone. With full RGB and hot-swappable switches, this keyboard is perfect for DIY lovers. If you're looking for a quiet, compact, but feature-packed keyboard, this is definitely worth a look.